Yes, indeed. It is happening. Finally, the homebrew competition. You guys sent in beer a month and a half ago. I apologize. Gotta pull up some notes here. I was supposed to get a fifth one, but they couldn't send it. Or no, one of them couldn't send it, and then another one, he said he'd send it, and then never got it. I emailed him and never heard back. I don't know. No idea. So let's see. I have all the notes and all the stuff here. Let's do the old sanitation in the glassware to prevent dirty glassware buildup. All right. Got 4. So start over here to the left. It's the recipe. This is from Paul from Burke, Virginia. Actually, the base recipe is from Michael Dawson's book, Mashmaker. Improvised dry hopped with IPA style hops. German Pilsner, Vienna malt, wheat malts. German Pils in Vienna, almost 50-50. The hops are East Kent Goldings at 60-15 and Syrian at 15. And then dry hopped with Citra and Mosaic. I apologize I can't get to this sooner. I hope the aroma is still there. And Belgium WLP 656. Gravity 1052. ABV 6.5. Cool. So let's see. Do one at a time here, taste it, and go down the line. I'm getting that dry hop a little bit, actually. It's there still, which is good. It's less Belgian than other stuff I've had. A little phenol there. It's super dry, though. It's like, whew, 1002 is what this finished at. It's very down there. It's not the worst. I mean, for a Belgian beer, I should say. For a Belgian beer, it's really good. The weather outside today is, well, currently 91. So it is spicy, and so is the beer. So, so dumb. All right. This next one is from, all right, this is from Adam. This is from Madison, Wisconsin. Used RO and matched the yellow balanced in brew and water. Pills, red, wheat, and rye. 64% pills. Mashed pretty high, 156. Magnum at 60, sauce at 10, and coriander seed at 0. Okay. Bootleg Bio Saison Parfait for the yeast at 65. Let it rise, and that's it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Get my, by the way, I'm doing a, the brewery is my opener today of choice. This is more phenols than this one does, but not terrible. Very classically well-made Saison. Coriander seed, 0.15 ounces. It's interesting. I don't know if I would have tasted it without it, just the yeast by itself doing what it does, but interesting nonetheless. Okay, so this next one is from somebody who's in the UK, and he did not want me to say his name. Let me see exactly what he said here. He said, I'd appreciate it if you didn't use my real name. I don't know if he had some other nickname or something. I don't know. So I'm just not going to say his name. But he is from Sheffield, UK. And he didn't send in any notes, but he has the email here. He does call his beers the Dawn Brewery. He used Wyeast 3724, which I have used before, actually. And the gravity was 1003, low again. Pilsner malt, Vienna malt. Looks like about 70%, 20% Vienna. Little torrefied wheat, little crystal, 225, so pretty high. And Cara aroma malt. Has it in grams here for his hops, but whatever. Challenger, East Kent Goldings, Syrian Goldings, very similar to one of the other ones, like the first one. And he did zest of oranges and 1 lemon, and some coriander seed. Interesting. So he went to, his gravity was 1042 and then went down to 1002. All right, let's see. Darker for sure. Definitely that Levabond is working in there, the crystal malt. I'm guessing 225 to 265 is the Levabond for that. But yeah, in comparison to the others. Cool color though, still. Wow. Much more zesty by quite a bit. Definitely a lot more orange, lemon in there. Definitely getting coriander more predominant than the other ones. The Saison flavor is definitely not there. as much as I thought it would. Again, these drying out maybe helps. They're fermenting at pretty nice temperature too. The orange and lemon component, I think, is masking some of that phenols. That's nice, especially how hot it is right now. I like fruited or zesty beers on a hot day. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, this is from Jeff from Fort Collins, Colorado. He's the Yeast Imperial Napoleon B64, so I've never even heard of. Wow, and it came down to 10,001. It's almost at 0. He's a little corn sugar too. 1053 is the starting. So it's 6.8% at 1053 starting gravity. About 30 IBUs. Bohemian Pilsner, Vienna, Belgian wheat Carapils, and the corn sugar. Almost 10% corn sugar. That's up there. IBU, see, Belma hops, Barb Rogue. I've never heard of that one. B-R-B-E Rogue. R-O-G-E. Rouge. Barbe Rouge. Belma and Barbe Rouge. Wow. 45 and 15 minutes for those alternating. So, wow, let's give this a go. Interesting hops there. It's good color on that. That's good. I'm the phenols, I'm getting the Belgian thing. But again, it's not overbearing. I think, I've definitely had issues with Belgian in the past, which is why I'm doing this. And these aren't as bad as I remember Belgians being. I still try them every now and then, but this is solid. Very, very quenchable. Let's try this other one. Okay, well, now I got to start to eliminate it a little bit here. It's tough. It's always tough. Okay, the first one I'm going to eliminate is the Sheffield UK. Sorry. The only reason being is because it's a lot more citrus forward than I would think just a straight Belgian is. However, it's quenchable, it's delicious, and I will be finishing this in the other bottle. I actually do like this a lot. I'm just trying to keep it really like standard to a Saison, and could you get me to like it? But I do like that. All right. Okay. Jeez. All right, this one's next to go. Sorry, Adam. This has a little too phenols for me, but it's nothing wrong with this Saison. If someone had the Saison, they'd be like, "That's a damn good Saison." Well done. I mean, it's still great. It's very impressive. All right, and then there were two. It's always so hard. Okay, got a winner. It is Jeff. Jeff, you are the winner. Nice job on the beer. Paul, dude, nothing wrong with this. The dry hops were there, and it was really dry. This just have a little bit more of a crisp to it, and less phenol of all of them. It's very, very, very crushable. At 10,001, I mean, whew, that's down there. And these hops are unique. I'm trying to pinpoint kind of what I'm getting there. It definitely isn't spicy. It's maybe a little pepper, more pepper than I guess it would be like that phenol, and it's very like just goes on quick. It almost reminds me of a Pilsner, that sort of dry, crisp finish. But again, this is fantastic. Everybody, great job on these. My mind is definitely turned a little bit, and maybe I will try a little more Saisons. Maybe I'll taste her here and there at breweries, especially if they can get it how you guys did. Great job. The winner gets a t-shirt. So that's cool. If you want one, you can choose one for free, and I'll give it to you. So the next competition is going to be the light lager. Yes, it is 91 degrees out right now. It was like 95. The peak. It's getting hot. We're trying to kill the Rhone by the heat and by drinking beer. So what we're gonna do is light lager. Send it to me. I don't care if it's a blonde, and you trick me by saying it's light lager. I don't care what it is, but I would love for it to be called a lager within a description. Pilsner, Helles, American Light Lager, all great. So send that to me, and or email me, barleyandthehops1@gmail.com. Give you an address to submit it to, and and I will get to it sooner this time, I promise. See you next time. Get weird as always. Keep brewing, and now's the time. We're in quarantine. We're shackled up. Why not?